Hi, this is Mrs. So, the first cause is if your car gets a flat tire, looking at the effects, which one seems reasonable for that effect, for that cause? It really doesn't have anything to do with homework, so not A. B says you'll be late for work. I think that is a reasonable effect. Blowing your tire means you can't drive, and if you can't drive, you won't be able to get to work on time. So I think our answer for 1 is going to be B. Number 2, if you practice at something, what would make the most sense as an effect? I think it would be D. You get better at something. I know practicing always helps you improve at something. 3 says if you don't pay attention in class, you won't be able to do your homework. A. The last one, if you don't put on sunscreen, obviously the last one, you will get sunburned. That one is pretty straightforward. Sunscreen helps prevent a sunburn. The other type of slide looks like this. You'll have 3 statements, and you'll need to determine if there is a logical cause-effect relationship in them. When you do that, you will write yes and or no. Okay, so number 5 says George notices that whenever it rains, the sky is full of gray clouds. He reasons that gray clouds cause rain. Is that a logical cause and effect? I would say yes. Number 6, Jack notices that whenever the grass in his yard gets long, his dad mows it. He reasons long grass causes his dad to mow the grass. Is this a reasonable effect or a reasonable logical cause and effect? Yes, I would say so. Ella notices that once the sun goes down, the moon comes up. She reasons that the moon makes the sun go down. Is this a logical cause and effect? I would say no to this one. While we usually see the sun during the day and the moon during the night, the moon rising doesn't cause the sun to go down. Their seeming rise and fall is caused by the earth spinning. So that's what your activity will look like. Take your time and do a good job. Good luck.